you hearing all about Headless Commerce? It's Commerce Tech's new SPARTICUS buzzword to replace omnichannel and unified commerce. I am Headless Commerce. With companies rebranding themselves as the Headless Commerce platform of the future, prepare to see the same diagrams being shown to you by everyone. We think it's all a bit basic, all a bit boring. As vendors are entering into the commerce market with so-called microservices, what they really mean is a set of databases wrapped in some standard code with a data structure and an API. Big whoop, all things you could do easily yourself. This delivers very little functionality. At Enactor, we've been building commerce applications with microservices since day one. And we knew then, as we do now, that in an enterprise architecture, it's not just about microservices, it's also about tools you need to manipulate them. Software is a lot more than just UI and database, it's everything in between that delivers functionality. In Headless Commerce, you need a way to not just have a common data store for each channel, but also common functionality and business logic, rather than having to build it multiple times in the UI of each channel. You need a way of manipulating microservices to flexibly build common functionality. We think tooling is absolutely critical. At Enactor, we have our own framework and tools so that you can create and stitch together microservices. It's as simple as drag and drop, and everything is reusable. This is called low-code development, also known as flow-based programming. With Enactor, we have a number of headless services like baskets, promotions, customers, orders, and more. Why is this important? Microservices should not be a black box, and our tooling means that inside headless microservices, you get low-code flexibility and a common business logic layer. Our platform can truly be the enterprise engine of all your stores, websites, and apps across any territory, with tooling and functionality that will make it perfect for your business. Stop listening to vendors who are running around, well, headless about headless. Enactor. It's headless commerce plus a whole lot more.